This is when you should never, ever swim in Florida. It's called a red tide, and we don't really know why they happen, but they can be devastating. In 2018, a red tide caused an estimated $2 billion in economic damage. But what we do know is that they're caused by an algae called Karenia brevis, which literally turns the water red. It's particularly harmful because of the neurotoxin they produce, which can kill fish and even big marine mammals, like dolphins. And people aren't safe either. The toxins can accumulate in shellfish, which are filter feeders, and then people eat the shellfish. Winds can also carry the aerosolized form of the toxin inland, where they can cause really serious respiratory problems. So during these deadly blooms, Florida's coast sort of turns into a ghost town, because who wants to go to the beach when it's hard to breathe and there are decomposing fish on the beach? But for these scientists, it's actually one of the busiest times of the year. They're trying to figure out where and how these blooms form and how they move. They're out taking samples and putting tech in the water to get as much data as they possibly can. Florida Gulf Coast University has 6 of these land-based stations deployed around the Gulf, measuring a whole load of water quality indicators. They also use these data buoys as a way of reliably measuring in a precise spot, like right in the middle of the bloom. Now they're hoping to deploy more of these buoys on the West Florida shelf, which is where they think these blooms might start, fed by cold, nutrient-rich waters. But until that's done, we're going to have to keep living with and studying these blooms. A reminder that even in the 21st century, Mother Nature still has her secrets.